Hello everyone. Hi, this is Savita Gupta from Exemplar Global Resources. Welcome to our channel, Burning Jobs. Hope you all are doing well. Here, as you know that we are posting a new job positions on this channel. I come up with a few opportunities with us, which is one of the auto component sector. This company is an listed company started in 1961, which is a tier 1 company based in Pune location. So we are looking forward for few positions in this company. The positions named as domestic buyer. In this position, we are looking someone who is good into the purchase from the local vendors, 5 to 10 years experience rather we can say. Position stated as in assistant manager level. For this position, budget we have is up to 9 lakh. Whoever you are finding suitable for these positions, you can share the CVs on the below given ID. And now talk about the second position, which is into the import buyer. Import buyers who is purchasing the raw material from the import. So this position is again stands as an assistant manager level, and in this position we are looking who's having good experience onto the SAP, is having good experience with the CHA coordinations, custom clearance. Qualification wise, BTech mechanical is a preferable one, and location is based in Chakan, Pune. If you are finding anyone suitable for this position, they can share their CVs on the given below ID. So now the next position stands as an production, and again it is in a for the assistant manager level who is working on a shop floor, taken care of all the productions of the auto component vehicles. So here we are looking again same for the BTech mechanicals. Experience level started from age to 12 years of experience, and budget is for 9 lakh. You can share your CVs on the given below ID. And next position we have for the manager level positions, which is for the PPC, production planning and control. In this position we are looking someone who are good into the production planning. Experience level we are looking forward for this is around 10 years plus, and for this budget we have is around 15 lakhs per annum. So this company is specifically for the auto component vehicles. It's in a tier 1 industry, and we are looking someone preferably from the auto component industries only, who is okay to be relocated to Pune. We are perfectly fine with that. So do share your CVs on the below given IDs and reach us for the more comments. Thank you so much.